So, cure for hiccups. If you've got a significant other, you want to get them put their fingers in your ears, like that, and then drink this amount of water. But because I'm on my own, it's going to look a bit weird. It's going to be a bit difficult. But this is how you get rid of hiccups. You need about that much water. And the secret is to seal the ears and drink all that water without stopping. So, it looks a bit weird because I'm on my own. I haven't got no one to plug my ears, but let's give it a go. Poxy hiccups. Go on, give it a go. It works. See you again. Bye.